Mar sin ma pí a ceáilin na Steve as galibh agus seo grúpa álín ar bhaine my fellow sponges agus ó an bug buideach nes nealon nach bommate agus sé hecand déag ach is fiú éistecht le ahan bhuiile tá seo galant ar fád. My fellow sponges chill the beans.
She might come over to stay. I wanna say in metaphor. Her daisies on the floor and the ground made of gold had swallowed me whole, and now I'm chewed to the bone. Oh, I gotta chill the beans, I gotta chill the potatoes, gotta make a mess and gotta clean it up. Chew to the bone, chew to the bone, to the bone, and the trees are whispering sounds to one another. I don't wanna search in the corner, don't wanna search in the road, no, I wanna find it where I'm standing, standing alone, and